murmurings of flying ants in the lawn. Once you see a couple of them, you see a whole rash of them.
Yeah, well, I mean, they must be starting then.
Yes.
Yeah, so
It's
official.
Shepherd's back on, it starts.
If it's there, it's going to be everywhere.
Yeah.
It will often lead the way with bugs and any sort of drivers, can't tell you. So talk us to a flying ant. What exactly is it?
Yeah, so the ants that you're probably seeing are most likely black garden ants. So they're the most common ones that you see. Now, it's quite an interesting story. So basically what happens is they have a colony, and in that colony is usually and the queen is surrounded by lots of worker ants, and those are female ants, which they are.
This is flying
Or the cancer, essentially. Females, virgin females, they're called princess. But basically, when it got into it, and you can see it. So actually, you will see the two join together in like it's called a nuptial flight. There you go. So it's a bit of a love story, essentially. So they're mating in mid-air, essentially. Then they land, the male die, that's their sole purpose, is to mate, so they're only alive for a couple of days.
commitment, isn't it? Love.
And the females, when the females land, they chew off the wings. And they're not able, and they start their own new colony.
It's quite a cold start to their colonies.
Perfectly natural.
Is it every 24 hours? Is that right? Or does it happen all over the place at different times?
Yeah, so it tends to be over a few weeks, and it sort of happens after we've had a kind of wet, hot period. After a bit of rain, when the nice weather comes, sometimes they come out. You can start to see them come out in the garden. Sometimes there's little sort of soil pile that you see forming that you maybe see in your garden bed. So but it's called flying ant day, but actually it happens over several days, probably over a few weeks. But it seems like it's flying ant day because everybody can see all these ants in one place.
Suddenly seems to happen. Okay, so what are some of the top tips?
So with immigration, it was taking back control, and we completely lost it.
Oh, you can't be lost.
But that's because we
We've got Boris Johnson neighbourhood.
The Boris Johnson is that we don't have close relations with the European Union, and do not have the intelligence sharing, and do not get the agreements with them, and therefore you've got many more people coming.
The simple fact is we've got more people coming in because we soft touch Britain. You know, we put people in hotels, we give them money. You see some people even giving driving lessons to the councils. Naturally, people are going to congregate to Britain because we're soft touch.
Okay,
And we just stop that.
the book again. I love the fact that we just kicked off and doing our new here.
Sorry, actually, that's it.
Yeah, I think it's probably right to in the Guardian, BBC is another series. So the point being that he's got one in the can, and they've got to put it out, I guess.
I don't know what they're going to do.
I mean, I guess they do it. Tim Davey, the Director General, he's got an in-trade